Hello everyone, welcome back to Journey with Data. So today's topic is quite interesting. Up till now I have made videos on top 5 machine learning courses, top 5 Python courses, and now let's take this journey a step ahead. And today we will be talking on top 5 deep learning courses that are paid and free. So first I'll be discussing 2 courses that are free, and then 3 courses that are paid, and the links to these courses are given in the description box below. So let's get started. So the course number 1, which is free, is the course launched by Newark University, the Center for Data Science, and this course was launched this spring 2020, and it is a 14-week program, and it contains latest techniques in deep learning, representation learning, natural language understanding, speech recognition. Also, this course consists of lecture videos, detailed written overviews, and executable Jupyter notebooks. So if you want to go for this course, then the link is given in the description box below. So the course number 2, which is free, is by Fast AI, and it is a deep learning for coders. So this course contains 8 lessons, and there is a very nice explanation, or a very detailed explanation of various topics in each and every lesson. For example, there's a lesson number 1 contains what is a deep learning, how it is related to machine learning or computer programming, and the importance of training and test validation data sets, and so on. And in the upcoming lectures, activation functions, for example, a sigmoid, a softmax, these kind of activation functions are explained nicely. So if you are looking for a free course, then this one is also great. So the course number 3 is from Coursera. It is a deep learning specialization by Andrew Ng, and it is a highly rated course, and it stands at a rating of 4.8 stars. So this course will give you an overview on deep learning. It will help you understand and how to build neural networks, how to build convolutional networks. You'll also learn about recurrent neural networks, and so on. And you'll also get a chance to work on various case studies from healthcare domain, autonomous driving, sign language reading, natural language processing, and there's also a certificate at the end of this course. So you can go for this course because it's one of the highly rated courses. Course number 4 is from Udemy. It is a complete guide to TensorFlow for deep learning with Python. It stands at a rating of 4.4 stars, and this course will basically help you understand how neural networks work, how to build your neural network from scratch, and it will also guide you on how to use Google's TensorFlow framework to create artificial neural networks. This will help you understand the basics of neural networks, artificial neural networks, densely connected networks, and so on. So the detailed description is given at the end of this course. So you can also go for this one. The last course is also from Udemy, which is a deep learning A to Z hands-on artificial neural networks. And this is also a bestseller course, stands at a rating of 4.5 stars. This will help you understand the intuition behind artificial neural networks, how to apply neural networks in practice, how to apply CNNs in practice, how to apply autoencoders, and so on. So this course is basically for anyone who is interested in deep learning, students who have at least a high school knowledge in mathematics, or who are deep learning enthusiasts, and anyone who is not comfortable with coding but then has a passion to learn deep learning. So this is also a wonderful course. With this, we come to the end of this video, and I hope that this must have helped you in some way or the other. So if you have some great courses other than this list, feel free to drop a comment, and do like, share, and subscribe for more interesting videos on data science and machine learning. So thank you so much.